Hi there, I'm Michael Coleman and I'm just here to bring a little bit of colour into your lives for a minute with Pink Kisses. A bit of nature, beautiful, beautiful nature there. Look at all that vibrant colour. Absolutely stunning. There we go, look at that. Absolutely stunning. Look at all those colours, completely natural. Look at that one. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. There we go, there's a whole abundance of them just there. And it's literally under the title of Spring Colour here at Garson's, which I highly recommend for your flowers or plants or anything to do with your garden. Really worth a visit. Anyway, if you like that, please do like and subscribe. There you go, just finish on that pink one. Thanks.